Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you how to build this speed motor control for DC motors that is based on pulse width modulation. Here we can see the schematic. It works with an input voltage of 5 to 25 volts DC and it is based on a 555 timer configured in a stable mode. This means that it produces a train of pulses on pin number 3 and the width of the pulses is controlled via this potentiometer. The pulse train is amplified by the MOSFET, which is connected to the motor. Okay, let's see it working. I'm going to turn on the power supply. And with the potentiometer we can control the speed. Lower the speed and increase again. Pulse width modulation works in the following way. Instead of applying current all the time to the motor, that is, instead of applying DC, we apply chopped DC. That is, for example, in this case, here we apply a pulse of current, then nothing, then another pulse, and so on. So in this case, we are applying current 10% of the time, and this is called a 10% duty cycle. The other example is 50% of the time we apply current and 50% there is no current in the motor. And we have a 50% duty cycle. And the last example is almost full power when we apply current 90% of the time. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for your visit. If you want to help me, please visit my Patreon page and see you in the next video.